Hey everyone, it's Ryan with 9-Month College Grad, where I teach people just like you how to earn college degrees, specifically bachelor's and master's degrees, much faster. You can literally earn an entire bachelor's degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. And in today's video, I want to answer a common question that I get, and that is, should I go to community college? Is community college worth it? So if you are trying to figure out what the heck you should do, what college you should go to, where you should go first, kind of laying out your graduation plan, this is the video for you. And I'm going to give you a hint here. It's kind of a trick question. So if you want to know if community college is worth it, stay tuned and I'll dive right in. All right, so is community college worth it? Like I said, it's a trick question. Community college, a degree from a community college, is better than a high school diploma. End of story, okay? So the very broad answer would be, well, yeah, a community college degree is worth it if that was your only option over a high school diploma. Now, if you're asking me, is a community college degree worth it? I will absolutely tell you no. Do not go to community college, and I'll tell you why. Because if you go to community college, you're going to spend 2 years getting an associate's degree, right? Well, this is kind of crazy, but guess what? You can earn an entire bachelor's degree in like less than half that time. Okay. And yes, you got to put your mind to it. You got to work hard, but guess what? It's not really harder than going to community college. So the question then becomes, well, is a community college degree worth it if degree hacking is an option? The answer is absolutely not, because you then have two choices. Should I enroll in community college and get a 2-year degree in 2 years, or should I skip community college and dive right into my bachelor's degree and earn that in as little as 6 to 12 months? It's obvious, right? You absolutely would skip community college and dive right into your bachelor's degree and get your bachelor's degree, because guess what? It's faster and it's easier. Speaking with experience here, I dropped out of community college. I'm a community college dropout, and then I found degree hacking. I found out how to hack college, and I went back and earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months. Okay. So that's, I guess, my long answer. I will say this isn't the correct answer for 100% of people, because yes, there are a few situations where you would choose community college over degree hacking. And the one that I have in mind, I remember the community college that I went to and dropped out of, they had like an auto mechanic degree, like a 2-year auto mechanic degree. Guess what? You can't get that type of degree online. Like, you actually have to be there and work on cars and stuff. So you can't really hack that degree, because your tests are not like actual tests. Like, you're actually doing oil changes and working on people's cars and stuff for your test. So that's not something that you can shortcut. So there are a very small number of exceptions, but for most of you, like 95 to 99% of you, skip community college, dive right into your bachelor's degree using degree hacking principles. Remember, you got to find a competency-based school that lets you test out of your classes, and then you got to use degree hacking, okay? If you're wondering, okay, well, what does that mean? What is degree hacking? Well, if you'd like to learn more about degree hacking, I don't have time in this video, but I have a video that I recorded in the past, and you can watch it for free at diplomasecrets.com, diplomasecrets.com. And yeah, just go there. You can watch my full-blown training on what degree hacking is and basically lay out the entire foundation of degree hacking for you so that you can know exactly where to start and how to earn literally your bachelor's degree years faster for way, way less money. So just go to diplomasecrets.com. There's nothing for sale or anything at the end of the video. You can just go watch it for free. Now, if you've liked this video, I share videos like this all the time. All you need to do is click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And guess what? When you're scrolling through your feed, you're going to start seeing more videos where I teach you how to get college degrees faster for way less money. So if that's something you're interested in, just like and subscribe and you'll start seeing those videos. Thanks so much. I hope you liked the video, and I'll talk to you in the next video.